Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start from sum number 11 from the exercise 8.10. This is the third video from this exercise. For the part 1 and part 2, please check the description box. Okay, so here in sum number 11.1, integration 2x by x square plus 1 x square plus 3. So as here is x square and you know the derivative of x square equal to 2x. So we can easily let x square as z. Okay, so now derivative of this one equal to 2x dx and that equal to dz. So now here 2x dx will be dz and then z plus 1 z plus 3. This is now your integration. So now we can here integration by partial fraction. So here 1 by z plus 1 z plus 3, that equal to a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 3. So it would be 1 and here a into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 1. So first you have to find out here a and b, the value of a and b. Okay, so if z equal to minus 1, then this portion equal to 0. So here 1 equal to a, here minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. So a equal to half. And when here z, not the x, if z equal to minus 3, then this portion will be 0. So here minus 3 plus 1, that will be minus 2. So 1 equal to b minus 2. So b equal to minus half. Okay, now the integration will be as here a half. So half dz by z plus 1 and here b equal to minus half. So minus half integration 1 by z plus 3 dz. So now half log z plus 1, here minus half log z plus 3. Now you have to put the value of z as z equal to x square. So it would be half log x square plus 1 minus log x square plus 3. And you know the formula, log a minus log b, that is log a by b. So here half log this one by this one plus c as your answer. Next 11.2, integration x square by 1 plus x cube plus 2x cube. Okay, so here x cube. Now the derivative of x cube equal to 3x square. Okay, here is x square. So x cube equal to z, then 3x square dx equal to dz. That means x square dx equal to dz by 3. So here dz, here 3. And it would be 1 plus z, 2 plus z. So now again 1 by 1 plus z, 2 plus z, that equal to a by z plus 1, here b by z plus 1. So 1 equal to a into this one, b into this one. Okay. So if b here z equal to minus 1, then this portion will be 0 and from that a equal to 1. If z equal to minus 2, then this portion equal to 0. So 1 equal to here b into minus 1. So here b equal to minus 1. Now 1 by 3, here integration 1 by 1 plus z dz plus minus 1 as the value of b, 1 by 2 plus z dz. So here 1 by 3 log 1 plus z minus log z plus 1. Again same formula, log a minus log b. Clear? So log a minus log b. So here 1 by 3 log, just put down the value of z, it's x cube. So 1 plus x cube by 2 plus x cube within mod plus c. Now the third one, integration 2x by x square plus 1 x square plus 2 whole square. Here the derivative of x square equal to 2x. So here x square equal to z, 2x dx equal to dz. So here the integration will be dz by z plus 1 z plus 2 whole square. Okay. So here 1 by this one equal to a by z plus 1, b by z plus 2 plus c by z plus 1 whole square, z plus 2 whole square. So now 1 equal to this one, a into this one, then b into as here z plus 2. So z plus 1 and z plus 2, c into z plus 1. So for z equal to minus 1, then this portion will be 0 and this one also 0. Okay, so only a will be here. So 1 equal to a, because minus 1 plus 2, that equal to 1. So 1 square means a, so that means 1. so here a equal to 1. If z equal to minus 2, then this portion equal to 0, this one also 0. So only c will be here. Okay, so 1 equal to c into minus 1, then c equal to minus 1. Now as you know the value of a equal to 1, c equal to minus 1, then here if z equal to 0, then it would be 1 equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. Just put down the value of a and c here, you will get the value of b, and that equal to minus 1. So here the integration will be 1 by z plus 1 dz minus integration dz by z plus 2, as the value of b equal to minus 1, and here c dz by z plus 2 whole square, here also minus. So your log z plus 1 minus log z plus 2, and this one will be, here you can apply x to the power n formula. So z plus 2 to the power minus 1, and here minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So the final answer, log x square plus 1, the value of z x square minus log x square plus 2, and then 1 by, as here minus minus plus, so 1 by x square plus 2 plus c. Next, sum number 12(1). Integration dx by x into x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay, so as here x to the power 4, the derivative of x to the power 4, that equal to x cube. Okay, so that means here 4x cube, the derivative of x to the power 4 equal to 4x cube. So that means first you have to make here 4x cube. So just write down here 4x cube, and to adjust this 4, here multiply 1 by 4. Okay, and as here x, so you can easily write down here x to the power 4, because whenever x cube cancel out with x to the power 4, you will get back your x. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now the integration will be now in this stage. Okay, so here you can easily let x to the power 4 as z. So 4x cube dx equal to dz, then this portion equal to dz, this one z into z minus 1. So 1 by z into z minus 1, that equal to a by z plus b by z minus 1. So 1 equal to a into z minus 1 plus bz. So if z equal to 0, then a equal to minus 1. If z equal to 1, then b equal to 1. So 1 by 4 minus integration dz by z plus integration dz by z minus 1. So 1 by 4 minus log z plus log z minus 1. So this one log a minus log b, so log a by b. And put down the value of z, x to the power 4, here also x to the power 4 plus c is your answer. Next, 12(2). Integration 1 by x into x square plus 1. Okay, now the derivative of x square equal to 2x. So here you have to write down 2x here. To adjust these 2, you have to multiply here 1 by 2, and as here x, write down here x square. So x cancel out with x square, and you will get back your x. Now let x square z equal to 2x dx, that equal to dz. So here dz by z into z plus 1. Now the same format, 1 by z into z plus 1, a by z plus b by z plus 1. So 1 equal to a into z plus 1 plus bz. So here z equal to 0. If z equal to 0, then a equal to 1. If z equal to minus 1, then b equal to minus 1. So here half integration dz by z minus integration gz by z plus 1. So here log z minus log z plus 1. So log a minus log b, that means log a by b. Put down the value of z, x square, here also x square. So that is your answer. Sum number 13(1). Integration dx by x into x to the power n plus 1. Now the derivative of x to the power n, that equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So first write down n x to the power n minus 1 here. To adjust this n, you have to multiply 1 by n. And as here x to the power n minus 1, so you can just write down here x into x to the power n minus 1. So here also x, so x will be here, and x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n minus 1 will be cancelled out, and you will get back the previous one. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now x to the power n will be z. Okay, so if x to the power n equal to z, then n into x to the power n minus 1 dx equal to dz. So just replace n into x to the power n minus 1 dx as dz. Now here x means here x to the power n, sorry 1. If you multiply x to the power 1 into x to the power n minus 1, then 1 cancel out, it becomes only x to the power n. So as x to the power n equal to z, write down here z, and this one z plus 1. So now 1 by z into z plus 1 equal to a by z plus b by z plus 1. So from that you can easily find out the value of a. Okay, so now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. So 1 by n dz by z minus 1 by z plus 1 dz. So here the final answer 1 by n log z minus log z plus 1. Again same formula, log a minus log b, that is log a by b. Just put down the value of z as x to the power n and you will get your answer. Next, sum number 13(2). Integration dx by x into x cube plus 8. Here x cube. Derivative of x cube equal to 3x square. So first write down here 3x square. To adjust this 3, you have to multiply 1 by 3. As here x square, so you can write down here x cube. Because whenever x square cancel out with x cube, you will get back your x. Okay. So now you can let x cube as z. Then 3x square dx as dz. So 1 by 3, it will be dz, here z plus 8. So now you know that 1 by z into z plus 8, that equal to a by z plus b by z plus 8. And from that you can easily find out the value of a and b. मैंने बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर चुका हूँ इस एक्सरसाइज में. सो अगर आपको समझ में कोई भी दिक्कत आ रहा है तो आप प्रीवियस कोई भी एक प्रॉब्लम वहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि कैसे हमने यहाँ पर ए और बी का वैल्यू निकाला है. ओके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जो पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 से देख सकते हैं. सो नाउ इफ ए इक्वल टू 1 by 8, so here 1 by 8 integration 1 by z dz. B equal to minus 1 by 8, so minus 1 by 8 integration 1 by z plus 8 dz. So now 8 into 3, 1 by 24 log. Here you can apply the formula as this one also log, this one also log after integration. So log a minus b, that means log a by b. So here log z by z plus 8. मैंने यहाँ पर थोड़ा स्टेप जंप किया है. So now put down the value of z. So 1 by 24 log x cube by x cube plus 8 plus c. Sum number 14(1). Integration e to the power x by 1 plus e to the power x 2 plus e to the power x. अब e to the power x का यहाँ पर डेरिवेटिव e to the power x ही होता है, तो पहले से ऊपर में दिया हुआ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो इसको एडजस्ट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now e to the power x equal to z, so e to the power x dx equal to dz. So this one dz by 1 plus z 2 plus z. So now 1 by 1 plus z 2 plus z equal to a by 1 plus z b by 2 plus z. From that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. बहुत बार मैंने कर चुका हूँ, बहुत बार. So I hope you know that how to find out the value of a and b. It's very easy. So if z equal to minus 1, then you can easily find out the value of a. If z equal to minus 2, then you can easily find out the value of b. So now integration 1 by 1 plus z dz minus integration 1 by 2 plus z dz. So log 1 plus z minus log 2 plus z. Same formula, log a minus log b. So log a by b, put down the value of z e to the power x. Sum number 14(2). Integration dx by e to the power x plus 1. So as here the derivative of e to the power 2x, that equal to 2 e to the power x. ओके, इसका मतलब मुझे ऊपर में 2 e to the power x लाना है. सो पहले मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया 2 e to the power x. अब 2 को एडजस्ट करने के लिए 1 by 2 और e to the power 2x को एडजस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पर मैंने एक e to the power 2x लिख दिया. सो e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x cancel out and you will get back your previous one. Now e to the power 2x equal to z. So 2 e to the power 2x dx equal to dz. So the upper one will be dz, lower one z into z plus 1. अब तो आपको मालूम ही होगा, same format. From that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1. Put down the value here, you will get log and then log a minus b. That means log a minus log b. So it will be log a by b. Put down the value of z and you will get back your answer. Now sum number 15(1). Each and every problem is in the same format. Okay. So here integration cos x by 1 minus sin x 3 minus sin x. अब sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x होता है. Okay. So sin x equal to z, cos x dx equal to dz. So now here dz, here 1 minus z, 3 minus z. Clear? So now this one equal to a by 1 minus z, b by 3 minus z. From that a equal to half, b equal to minus half. Okay. So now half integration dz by 1 minus z, then minus half integration dz by 3 minus z. So now as here 1 minus z, so the integration of this one will be minus log 1 minus z, क्योंकि z का यहाँ पर जो कोफिशिएंट है वो -1 है, वो -1 डिनोमिनेटर में आता है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर 1 लिखा है, सॉरी -1 लिखा है इस यहाँ पर. और यहाँ पर देखिए 3 माइनस जेड, तो इसका भी यहाँ पर नीचे एक -1 आएगा, और -1 और -1 प्लस करके यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव आ गया. सो log 3 माइनस जेड. सो दैट मीन्स दिस वन log a माइनस log b. ओके. तो 3 माइनस जेड ऊपर में आएगा, 1 माइनस जेड नीचे आएगा. a बाई बी फॉर्मेट होता है. हाफ log, नाउ पुट डाउन द वैल्यू ऑफ z साइन एक्स. सो 3 माइनस साइन एक्स बाई 1 माइनस साइन एक्स प्लस c. नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 15(2). इंटीग्रेशन sin 2x बाई 1 माइनस cos 2x 2 माइनस cos 2x. ओके. नाउ यहाँ पर देखिए cos 2x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 2 sin 2x. अब यहाँ पर तो 2 नहीं है, इसलिए 2 को एडजस्ट करने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पर एक 2 लिख दिया और यहाँ पर हाफ कर दिया. सो cos 2x इक्वल टू z माइनस 2 sin 2x dx इक्वल टू dz. इसका मतलब यहाँ पर एक माइनस आएगा, सो माइनस हाफ इंटीग्रेशन दिस वन z 1 माइनस z 2 माइनस z. अब सेम फॉर्मेट है, 1 बाई 1 माइनस a बाई 1 माइनस z प्लस b बाई 2 माइनस z. सो फ्रॉम दैट a इक्वल टू 1, b इक्वल टू -1. आई होप यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट a एंड b. सो हियर इंटीग्रेशन dz बाई 1 माइनस z माइनस इंटीग्रेशन dz बाई 2 माइनस z. अब यहाँ पर एक बाहर में एक माइनस रहेगा, सो -2 विल बी हियर. Then log, as here 1 minus z, that means the coefficient of z equal to -1, so in denominator you have to write down this one. Here also log 2 minus z by -1. Okay. So now if you multiply this minus half with this one, then minus minus will become plus half log 1 minus z. Here minus minus plus, then minus, it would be minus half log 2 minus z. Okay. So now half log this one a, this one b, so a by b. Put down the value of z, 1 minus cos 2x 2 minus cos 2x plus c as your answer. और अगर आपको a और b का वैल्यू आपको निकालना नहीं आता है, तो आप पार्ट 1 या पार्ट 2 में कोई भी यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल देख लीजिए, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम देख लीजिए, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कैसे a और b का वैल्यू निकाला जाता है. और आप इस वीडियो का जो पहला वाला जो प्रॉब्लम था, जैसे प्रॉब्लम नंबर 11, 12, वहाँ पर भी आप देख सकते हैं. नाउ सम नंबर 15(3). Integration sin 2x by 1 plus sin x 2 plus sin x. Now sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. Clear? So now if here sin x equal to z, then cos x dx equal to dz. So cos x dx, okay, sorry, this one is x. So cos x dx equal to dz. Here sin x means z, and as here 2, so 2 keep outside. 1 plus z, 2 plus z. So z by this one equal to a by 1 plus z, b by 2 plus z. So z equal to this one. So now if z equal to -2, then you will get back the value of 2, the value of b that equal to 2. If z equal to -1, then you will get the value of a, and which is -1. So here 2 minus integration dz by 1 plus z plus 2 integration 1 by 2 plus z dz plus c. So -2 log 1 plus z plus 4 log 2 plus z. Now put down the value of z. So -2 log 1 plus sin x plus 4 log 2 plus sin x plus c. Now sum number 15(4). This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. So here integration 2 cos x by 1 minus sin x 1 plus sin square x dx. Okay. So here the derivative of sin x equal to cos x here. Okay. So sin x equal to z cos x dx equal to dz. So the upper one will be dz. Here 2, so 2 keeping in outside. 1 minus z, 1 plus z square. So now 1 by 1 minus z, 1 plus z square equal to a by 1 minus z plus b z plus c by 1 plus z square. ओके क्योंकि अगर ऐसे आपका कोई फॉर्मेट है तो उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए ऐसे ही आपको लिखना होगा, यहाँ पर a और यहाँ पर बी जेड प्लस सी होगा. आपको तो मालूम ही होगा, मैंने पहले ही दिखाया था. सो 1 इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 प्लस जेड स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस जेड बी जेड प्लस सी. अब यहाँ से हमको a, b और c तीनों का ही वैल्यू निकालना है. सो पहले इफ z इक्वल टू 1, अब z 1 हो जाएगा तो ये वाला 0 हो जाएगा, इसका मतलब पूरा वैल्यू 0 हो गया. सो नाउ इफ z इक्वल टू 1 हियर, सो 1 प्लस 1 2, सो a इक्वल टू हाफ. नेक्स्ट इफ z इक्वल टू 0, अगर z 0 हो जाएगा तो ये वाला b वाला पोर्शन नहीं रहेगा, कि तो b इंटू 0 0. सो हियर 1 इक्वल टू यहाँ पर a हाफ प्लस 1 इंटू c. So from that c equal to half. Now the last one, b का वैल्यू आपको निकालना है. So let z equal to 2. So left one is 1, then a equal to half. यहाँ पर 1 plus 2, okay, 1 plus 2, 2 square means 4. Then minus 1, as 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then यहाँ पर 2b होगा क्योंकि 2z भी था, 2b plus half, c का वैल्यू half. So you can easily find out the value of b from this equation, and that equal to half. Okay, so here a equal to half, b equal to half, and c equal to half. So now let's put down the value here. So 2 integration half dz 1 minus z plus z by 2 plus half by 1 plus z square dz. Okay, so now 2 into 2 cancel out. Here minus, why minus? Because integration 1 by 1 minus z, as the coefficient of z is minus 1, so it would be minus log 1 minus z. Now if half will be common here, 2 cancel out with half, so it would be z plus 1 by 1 plus z square dz. Now you can separate this integration. So here z by this one, then 1 by this one. So first write down z by this one, then 1 by this one. Okay, now as here z square, so the derivative of z square equal to 2z. So first write down here 2z. To adjust these 2, you have to multiply here half. So here minus log 1 minus z plus half log 1 plus z square, and this one the formula of tan inverse z plus c. So the final answer, just put down the value of z, minus log 1 minus sin x plus half log 1 plus sin square x plus tan inverse sin x plus c. Okay, so guys, please keep watching and keep supporting.